chord melody. Okay, darlings, we're talking about a block chord versus a arpeggiating a block chord as a right hand technique for chord melody, for building chord melody. And we're starting with a G form up on the 5th fret. So the numbers, here we go. The numbers are 0, 7, 7, 5, G chord. Now, a block chord, I'm over the sound hole first of all, and a block chord means we're plucking all 4 strings at the same time. We are not arpeggiating like a strum is an arpeggio. A fingerpicking like this is arpeggio. We're picking all 4 strings at the same time. So I've got my fingers, these 3 fingers underneath the C, E, and the A strings. They're going to pluck up, and my thumb is going to pluck down at the same time. So let's just try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3. Great technique. Now within this technique there's a variation where we arpeggiate it, meaning that we're going to play the strings separately but really fast in one beat. Let me show you. I'm just going to do this, but it's like that. This is like a finger pick. Using this arpeggiating technique with a block chord is like I'm going, and that's one beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. The advantage to this is if we're doing chord melody, now we can really accent whichever string, whichever note is the melody note at that moment in time. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back and forth between a block chord, regular block chord, and an arpeggiated block chord, just making this chord with our left hand. And so the technique that we're changing up is in our right hand. So let me count this down. A measure of a block chord and a measure of an arpeggiated block chord will alternate. So a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now arpeggiate it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Block. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arpeggiate it. Back and forth. And let me slow it. I'm going to slow it down. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arpeggiated. You notice I'm closing my eyes so I can really just focus in on what my body's doing, on the sound. 4. You notice how still my right hand is. I'm not doing stuff like this, and I'm locking in here on my forearm. Everybody's different. If you got longer arms or a different size ukulele, see where you're locking in. Let's try it one more time. 2, 3, 4. Block. 1, 2. Arpeggio. Let's play it softly now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Soft. Now a little louder. A little louder.